Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can download and install GTA Liberty City Stories. Now the first thing that you want to do is to open up your device. Now if you're using a PS4, it's going to be different. You simply want to head over to the PS Store and from there search GTA Liberty Stories and download it from there. But if you're using your mobile device, simply head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. And from here, we then want to simply search for the GTA Liberty City Stories. You then want to navigate through the official Rockstar games. Now it's going to be this one. Just click on the install button and from there it will begin the downloading process, and right after it will automatically install into our device. And so as of the moment, there are only two platforms where GTA Liberty Stories is available. You can download it from the PS Store and you can also download it from your mobile devices. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.